and 52 seconds to play. Score 24-15. A 9-point lead para sa Barangay Ilang-Ilang. Jersey number 16. He's a pass to jersey number 18. Makes it 5. Offensive foul. Jersey number 18. Substitution. Jersey number 18, that is first foul. 13th foul para sa Barangay Ilang-Ilang. Time remaining 2 minutes and 46 seconds to play. Jersey number 11 against jersey number 2. Passing jersey number 0 and Tuwaka Talent. The empty shot is no good. Body for the ball. Nakuha jersey number 18. Out and passing jersey number 17. Nice defense para jersey number 11. 20-second shot clock. 20 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 8, intercepted. Jersey number 0, the ball is on the run. It's up. It's up. Jersey number 16. At the second foul, warning for penalty. Barangay Ilang-Ilang. Two free throws for jersey number 0, it was Junior. The shot is good. The score 24-16. It's good 2 for 2 for jersey number 0, it was Junior. Score 24-17, warning for delay the game. Jersey number 6. Jersey number 18, Risho. Jersey number 11, nice quick ball. It's in the body, lays it up. It's good play up, it's not good. Over to jersey number 6, out and pass to jersey number 0, on the run, it's score 24-19. Down to 5 on Alaman. Barangay Ilang-Ilang, 15 on the shot clock. 2 minutes exactly to play. Pass to jersey number 8. It's good for 2. Jersey number 11, pass to jersey number 0. But it was Junior. It's jersey number 17, 15 on the shot clock. Pass to jersey number 11. Jersey number 24. Jersey number 6, 10 on the shot clock. Corner pass to jersey number 24 for 3. And we're done. Oh, and jersey number 70, Pamoya, pass running up here, makes it up. It's no good. Jersey number 24. That is second foul penalty. 2 free throws for jersey number 18, Risho. Her shot is good. Score 27-19. Time remaining 1 minute and 13 seconds to play. Second to last call for jersey number 18, Jumpers ready. It's good 2 for 2. Score 28-19. A 9-point lead para sa Barangay Ilang-Ilang. Time remaining 1 minute and 13 seconds to play. Jersey number 6, Litwash. Passing jersey number 15, Bautista. Passing to Gabinanco. Jersey number 11, baseline jumper is so good. Ay, rebound para jersey number 17, Bambuyo. On the right, spin goal, makes it up. Aside of the pero now that's jersey number 8, it's good. 50 seconds to play. Corner pass to jersey number 0, wide open for 3, it's so good. Long rebound para jersey number 18, intercepted jersey number 18. Now pass to jersey number 6, it's good for 2. 42 seconds to play. Score 13-21. A 9-point lead para sa Barangay Ilang-Ilang. Jersey number 17 is down. Easy dribbling. Pass jersey number 18. Pass to the middle. Jersey number 8 is over 2. 29 seconds to play.